All right, we're live, ladies and gentlemen. Microphone is not working, so we're going to use laptop. We're going to use good old laptop, ladies and gentlemen. So, pretty much I already started this beautiful. Gentlemen, microphone is not working, so we're going to use laptop. We're going to use good. Yeah, we're going to use laptop. Yeah. We're going to use laptop, ladies and gentlemen, laptop microphone. So right now everything is working fine. Yeah, everything is working as it should. So I already talked 10 minutes with myself. Yeah, nice. I already talked 10 minutes about myself. I already explained everything before. I didn't press go live button. Yeah. So everything's cool. Yeah, we have to figure this out. So cool, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know me, my name is MBG. In today's live webinar, we're going to talk about girls. We're going to talk about money laundering. We're going to talk about how to get steroids, how to get a lot of women, unless it would have been an Everestex exchange live trading stream. Yeah, we're not going to speak about these things. We're going to talk about Everestex exchange and what we do and why we're even live. So if you don't know me, my name is Martin B. Gallagher. I trade and I develop cool products such as Everestex AI bot generated signal. Yeah, by the way, you see the bot on the right corner. You see the bot on the right corner. Today is on the maintenance. So today I can only show you how it looks. What is the name? Yeah. But some music for the vibe. So it's not a ghost town. I only trade when there's music behind. So hopefully YouTube will not ban the music. So what we do here, I trade for living and I develop cool products, and I have a cool Telegram channel as well that you can follow. What I do on Telegram channel is showing you live trades, live news, market sentiment, having fun on the Telegram as well. And we have a cool Everestex AI insider bot. Today is on the maintenance, just like your iPhone. Sometimes these stupid situations when you have iPhone on the when you have an iPhone on the update. Yeah, when you have an iPhone on the update. Today Everestex bot is on the update. Yeah, so I cannot show you how it works. But the good thing is that I can show you how Everestex works. So pretty much Everestex exchange with the bot that you can see here. Yeah, you can generate signals, but only with generating signals, it's not enough. It's not enough. Yeah, you have to execute a trade, and where you can execute a trade, right here is in Everestex exchange. By the way, I already explained this to myself 10 minutes. Yeah, but this is Everestex exchange. This is where you can execute trades, where you can pretty much straight up trade. So what you can do here, right now is I'm going to simply explain you what it is, what it's not. So if you're new to trading, this will not be like on detailed guide how to register, how to deposit money, how to understand what is a candlestick chart, what is like what is a long, what is a short, what is a up or down, just like how the layout works, how it is or what is not. So pretty much this is how it looks if you have real money deposited, and this is how you open up a page. Mainly what I trade binary options. Yeah, but Everestex Exchange is not only a binary options trading platform. What you can do here, you can trade Forex as well. Yeah, you can trade Forex as well. So if you're new to binary options, still trading Forex, you can trade Forex as well. Yeah, you can trade a lot of pairs starting out from currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, 1 to 200 leverage, 1 to 100 leverage for cryptocurrencies, and 1 to 2,000 leverages. Pretty much all the major biggest Forex exchange pairs. Yeah. But here mainly I'm going to speak and talk about binary options. Binary options gaining a lot of hype. Yeah, gaining a lot of hype. A lot of people, how do I know that? A lot of people ask me, hey, markets are shit. Markets are slow. We want to take some action. We actually want to make money. Yeah, so binary options gaining a lot of hype. I do believe binary options just like a just like a trading vibe will only get more attention. So straight up, that's cool. That is amazing. But cool thing, if you want to make love with your girl, or if you want to make love with your man, whatever, what gender you are, you could also try your luck in pool trading. So not only you can trade binary options, you can trade pool. And if you really want to have, hardcore love with your wife, or whatever with your girlfriend, you could trade high pull. Yeah, you can trade high pull. You can trade Trump versus Greenland. Yeah, is Trump going to occupy Greenland? So you can pretty much enter that yes or no. It's type of, poly market shit, poly market type of vibe. So if you really want to get feisty, make love before, doing that shit, you can enter Trump versus Greenland high pool and make your bet for that matter, for that reason as well. We're not going to trade high pool today. I'm not going to make love, yeah, on the stream. But yeah, if you feel feisty, you can do that. What we're going to mainly talk about, we're going to talk about binary options, yeah, binary options, and actually a lot of there is that word on the street that binary options is like a fake type of scary market where you pretty much Google it and they say binary options is very risky, binary options is like dangerous, you should consider before doing that. Of course, like with everything, each and every trading method that you do, you have to consider risks. But that agenda, that it's like some sort of a fake market, it's oblivious. And today I'm going to explain you why it is not like that, why it is not like that, why this is like a false information, in the atmosphere, because it's not. I'm going to prove you with 4 facts, and then you could decide why it is not like that. Yeah, it is like somebody says it's like casino, somebody says like it's playing like blackjack roulette. Well, you pretty much gamble like with tr- traditional trading methods. Yeah, so pretty much I'm going to explain you with the facts why it's not. But just so you understand, yeah, this is the brokerage. This is how it looks. You can pretty much check your tick chart. I don't know who on earth uses tick chart. Shout out everybody who's using tick chart, candlestick charts. You can use candlestick charts, but mainly the most popular trading view chart is here as well. What can we trade here? We can trade, I already mentioned, currencies, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. What we have to pay attention is that for some pairs, they are only OTC pairs, over-the-counter market. They pay more, they move different, they move based off supply and demand. But you can trade real-time Bitcoin pair. Bitcoin, as it is today, costs $78,000. Of course, you can check the time frame for the chart starting off from minute, and you can do your technical analysis like every elsewhere for free. For free, completely for free. If you don't want to trade, you can pretty much do technical analysis and draw lines and charts on this platform for free, just for registering. Yeah, all the tools are available. Beautiful ascending channel rising. This is what Bitcoin has been doing since February 5th. Daily chart, we can clearly see where is the resistance, where is the support. You can draw charts, measure lengths, do like prediction, longs, shorts, whatever. All the tools like on every cool brokerage is available, and it's for absolutely free if you register it. It is for absolutely free. So everything which you need. Oh, somebody asked me about indicators. Somebody asked me about indicators. One moment. Indicators are available as well, yeah. One moment. One moment. We have to check one thing. Why is it private? It's a public stream, yeah? Why does it look private? No, it should not be private. Everything runs. No, it's not private. Everything runs correctly, yeah? It should be like that. Yeah, everything's cool. Everything's amazing. So yeah, you can do your technical analysis. By the way, indicators. What is that? Why a failure? What the fuck is that? Indicators. Your main indicators here available as well. Starting off from, simple moving averages, moving average cross. Yeah, let's do like a famous 50 period, 200 period, that cross. Yeah, 50 period, 200 period. Yeah, you can change the line, short, long. Yeah, all indicators here are available. You can do that if you need. So, what else? What else? What else? What else? Everything what you need. But most important thing, yeah, what we do, we trade binary options. Mainly on this YouTube channel, I'm going to showcase scalp trades, low minute time frame charts, so 1 minute charts. Yeah, technical analysis we can do for bigger picture, but here we're going to pretty much do straight up streams for fast type of dynamic trading, because there would not be I don't think there's a need for a live stream to do like hardcore hour technical analysis where a long or short could play here and there. No, mainly live streams will be about binary options. So binary options, again, binary options. I will get there. You can trade like very fast, you can trade like very long. But here on the live stream, most likely I'm going to show you scalp trading entries. Scalp trading entries with the Keltner's channel and with the help of RSI. This is my setup. I'm not going to explain you the strategy, not going to explain you what it is on details, because this is a live introduction stream based on Everestex Exchange, and there will be a trade. I will go there, but not on this video. I'm not going to explain you. That's a different topic for another day. It needs time to explain, needs time to learn, needs time to, figure it out. But shout out to all the good people who's having a great Thursday. Shout out all the good people who's doing great, who's still trying, who still haven't made the bad decision to do nothing. So shout out all the good people who is doing something. If you've done something great for you, if you did something great for you, shout out to you. Cookie from me, Cookie from Cookie Monster, Cookie. We love cookies. So shout out if you're doing the correct thing. Shout out to you if you're doing the right thing. So yeah, only good people, only good vibes. We California, baby. We vibing. We Miami surfing. We Miami surfing in this shit. Let's surf. And oh shit. So far, it's cool, it's amazing with me, through me, no matter what type of day it is. We're live, we're strong, great, good people. By the way, a little bit of a house music type of vibe in this bad boy. Okay. At the beginning of the stream, I kind of like explained you that stigma around binary options. Yeah, let's do a little bit like that. Yeah, a little bit of a stigma. So the thing is, binary options has this bad stigma that is a scam. So pretty much, let's go to the right corner where my cursor is, right? Yeah, on the right. Yeah. Damn, this song is good. Shout out to Zara. You know this playlist, Zara House Music playlist. If you write it on the Spotify, it's like Zara House Music playlist. Yeah. So pretty much, how to enter a trade. What we have time frame. Yeah. Starting off from minute to 30 minute. What it is expiration. Yeah. Here we place trade amount. Yeah. Here I decide how much I'm going to invest per single trade. $1, you can trade $1. $10 if you actually want to, start getting something feelable, you place $10. If you already understand what the fuck you're doing, you can place $100 per single trade. Yeah, so this is what we decide. Yeah, one thing that we decide, expiration. Yeah, I'm going to show you. At the start, it's like doo-doo nonsense. It's not understandable, but I will show you so you will you see how it works. So time frame, trade amount, direction up or down, and with a click of a button, what we control the fourth thing, entry. Yeah, so we control 4 things. Again, and you tell me if it is some sort of a scam, if it is not real or something. that you control four things before you enter a trade. So what do you control? The expiration, the amount, the direction, and the entry. Four things you control. So how it looks in the real life. Let's enter a $10 binary option, yeah? So let's say hypothetically this is a Keltner's channel 20 period moving average, and I see that it has bounced quite a few times, and I decided with my technical analysis, like, hey, let's go up, yeah, from here. So you'll see what happens. I press opposition. So this is our entry. With the arrow, you now see an entry, and right here below you see time ticking, 1 minute, yeah? So because I pressed up, entry appear here with the arrow above. So the candle in the next minute expiration, right exactly on that expiration time, have to end up higher than my entry. If it ends higher, I will earn 75 cents, because Bitcoin currently is paying 75%. Yeah, so if I invest $1, I receive 75% of $1, which is ChatGPT. We need ChatGPT for this shit. No, it calculates for ourselves, but if you want to do it, just we can do that. As we can clearly see, candle is way below my entry. So what we're going to see in 3, 2, 1, and in this exact moment when the expiration ends, we understand if we win or lose this trade. So because candle expired below, yeah, candle moved below my entry, we lost that $1. Yeah, let's try one more time. $1 for the opposition. Again, this is no live trading. This is just to show you what is a binary option, how to place that. Yeah, again, because we selected 1 minute, because we placed $1, because we pressed opposition on this specific time 15 seconds ago, now we need for the price to be higher in the next 1 minute time. Yeah, so this is just simply how the trade works and how it moves. So we win if the price ends up higher, and we lose if the price ends higher exactly on that 1 minute expiration. And again, we're controlling four things here. Yeah, we're controlling the expiration, we're controlling trade amount, and we're controlling the up or down, we're controlling the entry. You may ask me which time frame to choose, which amount to choose, which direction to choose. That's the most difficult part. Yeah, we have strategies, we have proven systems, we have experts in the debate, and I've been trading this for years. I have strategies that provenly systematically have generated profits throughout the years. Backtests and different story for another day. Yeah, so this is the hardest part. This is just like I'm showing you how to execute a trade. The hardest part is to understand, yeah, where to enter, why we enter. Again, where to enter, it's good to understand where we enter, but why we enter. What is our edge before entering a trade that brings us the profit from our investment? Yeah, so that is the most difficult part. So what we end up losing another trade. So because candle went higher, we lost the trade. Now there's a down position. Let's place a down position, and this works as vice versa. It's kind of like described as a short. Yeah, maybe you have heard of a phrase, long and shorting. Yeah, you can also make money if market moves down. So because I enter a down position for a 1 minute time, now it works like that. For opposition, we would have liked to see for the price to end up higher for us to win the trade. Because I enter a down position, now the candle have to be lower from my entry point of view. So now we have two options instead of one. We're not only making money if the market moves higher, we are now making money because the market moves lower, yeah, with a single binary option. So exactly on that expiring time, we need for the candle to enter below our entry point of view. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is close, very close, dancing, and we won our first trade. Why? Because the candle expired right on that 1 minute time, lower. Yeah, candle expired lower, and we won our first trade. Again, let's place a down position. 3, 2, 1, entry is here. We see an arrow, we see expiration time, we see a dollar placed on the chart. So we're now in this situation. So this is how we can execute a trade. Yeah, this is how we can execute a trade for any type of binary option. Yeah. We can change expiration. If we change to 2 minutes, the expiration time will be 2 minutes. If we switch to 3 minutes, expiration time will be 3 minutes. If we switch to 4 minutes, expiration time will be 4 minutes, so on and on and on and on and on and on. And we can change the amount. We can press up and down all day, every day, just like that. Yeah, but the most difficult part is to understand why we enter a trade, what is our edge, and what will bring us constant profits throughout the day, throughout the year, throughout throughout our trading journey. Yeah. Because the stakes, they get ruthless. 90% of the people lose money, not make money. They pretty much straight up lose every single penny. Yeah, they caught up in like, you know, gambling type of situation. I have to earn back, have to everything back, and then it's chaos, and then it's chaos, and then it's pure madness. Cool. So pretty much this is how binary options work. Yes, this is how we can actually place a trade. So again, if you're new to trading, if you already in trading for some years, binary options is a thing to explore, to understand. Yeah, because you can pretty much straight up make money with no money. Yeah, with binary options it is possible. If you have $100, most likely in the stock market you will not be able to do anything like with leverage trading. It has to be some sort of hardcore leverage type of trade, lucky type of situation where you enter at the lowest point and then you can make money. With binary options, yes, you can lose money as fast as you can make money, but actually you have a shot. You have a shot. So binary options for people who don't have a lot of money is opportunity, to be quite honest with you, because I'm not maybe I'm sounding like, you know, a gambler. You know, invest $100 in a slot machine, maybe you will win 10,000. But compared to slot machines, here we can pick up a strategy. Here we can analyze candlestick patterns. Here we can analyze charts. Here we can place indicators. Here we can actually have a logical, reasonable, thoughtful entry. Not by just placing slot machine roulette type of shit where you at the beginning entering casino have a disadvantage. Here you can actually have a type of logical decision making before you enter a trade. So that type of a logical decision making is so-called your trading strategy that has been back tested and can actually bring you results and bring you profits. Yeah. So how you can do it, maybe you're a golden child, maybe you can pick up things fast and you start making money. I haven't heard about that golden child in years, especially in binary options, who started actually making money, but years with experience, you can do it and you can manage it. So here you will be able to see how I trade, how I make money, and how to do so. But again, it takes years. It takes years. Again, if I have to go back and relearn everything, shit, I lost so much money at the start. If only I've had a person to show me how to do this shit. Damn. But again, I started 9 years ago. Back then, even AI didn't came through. And again, if you see on the right corner, today this bot is not working, but I'm actually I actually have a background in IT. I started like in IT product development. I worked in an IT before, and then I straight up went full on blast trading when the COVID hit. So last 6-7 years straight up, I've been only actively trading. And the last 2 years, I designed with the help of the AI, with the huge acceleration of AI, I developed a bot that generates signals, not from me, not only from me. Now here's the kicker. Here's the kicker. My bot that I've designed with a team, years of development. I've designed the bot, binary options trading bot, that generates signals for people very easily and very simple. And the main idea, the main thing that the bot has been designed from people who are profitable. 1,000 of profitable current traders. Yeah, so that is a different topic for another day. But the kicker for the bot, that it is designed from 1,000 current profitable traders. It only picks and chooses signals that is running through active traders that is actually profitable. So very, very smart system, but much smarter. If I can tell you how I design it, I will be out of the business. Yeah, so the bot is there. So for the bot, what the bot can do for you, actually, if you watch the stream, the bot can generate for you the signal, so you can understand which time frame to choose, what amount to pick, and which direction to choose, up or down. So pretty much with the Everestex exchange, with the Everestex AI bot, you can now start trading with zero fucking knowledge. You don't have to trade like 10 years straight up, just like I've been doing this. Imagine having this bot 10 years. And only it's not a bot. It is actually profitable bot. Generate signals from 70 to 80% accuracy, sometimes even 90 and 100%. So that is a cool thing. An amazing thing, yeah. So that is cool. That is amazing. With me through no matter what type of a day it is. Bot is for another day. Binary options and Everestex exchange is what we do. What else we can do here? We can check the trading history. Yeah, I like this view when I'm trading, but more aesthetic for the stream looks this. So when I'm on the stream, usually you will see this format, but you can change it like that. I actually like this, so here I can pretty much scroll down. Check out this Cardano shit. Yeah, check out Cardano. Was trading Cardano profits, only profits left and right. Had a 20 straight winning streak for $250 binary options with 92% ADA. You may say, why it's Cardano? Yes, it is called Cardano. It's a cryptocurrency, so I blasted these OTC trades. So $250 for the 92% pays $480. So pretty much $230 in the straight up profits. Yeah. Here is binary option trading. Here you can check for the Forex CFD. By the way, Forex CFD, you need a different deposit. And for options account, I haven't even deposited, so I don't have actually assets to currently to be trading options. By the way, dear ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to mention most important part. Of course, in trading, to make money, you need to invest money. But the thing is, demo account is available, pretty much well known as paper trading account. So if you don't have knowledge about trading and don't want to invest money, sure thing to do is 10,000 free demo account dollars. It's not real money, it's not free $10,000, but you can practice with paper trading. Yeah. I don't suggest to trade paper trade for too long. Paper trade is like you will start getting wins, and then you will say, hey, but look, I'm this paper trading guru master. Yeah. Yes, paper trading, cool to understand how trading works. Practice, very good, but don't do it for too long. When paper trading gets a little bit, too long, you trade without emotions and you will trade completely differently. Start trading with real money, just with tiny deposit. Just with a tiny deposit. Do not trade for too long. If you want to be serious about trading, paper trading only for first month. But then after the first month you decided, hey, I still want to learn trading. Invest money, because as soon as you start trading with real money, emotions kick in. You will trade differently, so you will have to understand how to control the emotions, how to control the situation, how to control this madness, so-called trading. So demo account, by the way, is available. What you can do here at the exchange as well, there's copy trading here as well. So you can enter up a username that you actually want to copy. So that trick, that phony is available as well. A little bit of a tools, market analysis. You can understand the sentiment for the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Is it a strong sell, neutral buy, or is it a strong buy? We have some sort of a technical analysis tools here as well as we have economic calendar. what we have to what we have today. What we have today. Let's check April 23rd. Yesterday CPI data came in. April 22nd. Oh, that was for United Kingdom. Initial jobless claims was yesterday. S&P Global PMI index. So economic calendar as well. Market news, are there actual news? Oh yeah, top stories. Tesla stock slides, tiny revenue miss, high capex. Yeah, we have some news. This will not be your main source of market news, more probably if you're more serious about trading, but like the major kind of like headlines are there. So yeah, help center. Yeah, if how can I start trading? What is verification process? How to verify all these things if you need. Here it is. Here it is. Yeah, you can do that. Finance trading platform. So pretty much what I'm explaining everything. You can go what is not clear one by one. Yeah. Yeah. What is time zone? Trading history, etc. Trading stats. You check your stats summary for your trades. So that is cool. That is amazing. Marketplace. There's a marketplace. Rollovers, bonuses, mystery boxes. These things are here as well. Let's open up a mystery box for 10. Yeah, open up one for free. We have a one mystery box for free, so we can get these mystery boxes right here as well. Ooh, $1 cash. Almost a $50 bonus. Let's open up a few more. Open up for $10. Come on, $50. 100. No, 50. Come on, 50. Let's go. No, $1 cash. What the fuck? $2 was not. Let's open a few more for my viewers. Let's open a few more. Rollover. Yeah, the rollover is the type of thing I'll show you. So pretty much, if you place a trade, then we have to go to my trades. We have to press this shit. And let's place an opposition, yeah? Let's place an opposition. So pretty much with a rollover, I can now extend the time. Yeah, so pretty much if a trade doesn't go my way, I can press the rollover, yeah? And it adds up time. It adds up time. So you can use this option if you see your trade is not moving your way. Yeah, if you see a trade is not moving you. So pretty much you press roll over and you add time because you feel, hey, I need more time for this shit. And I see, hey, price is moving still a little bit, not to the upper side. I feel that I need time. Hey, roll over. Yeah, you press a rollover. Yeah, so you pretty much out of time. So this is the option. Viewers want still more mystery boxes. I don't give a fuck. We can open up more mystery boxes, but just like that. $1 cash. Let's open a few more. Everybody love mystery boxes. Ten rollovers, shit. I can use, but actually I don't use rollovers. If the trade is rarely I use a rollover. If a trade at the start, for example, doesn't hit my way, then pretty much right at the start, something was not correct. Something was not correct. Right at the get-go, so pretty much then to chase in that time, again, specific times, specific moments, maybe here and there, yeah, but I'm not really a rollover guy. So if you ask me, there is an option, but you know, my streams you will not you'll not be seeing that me using these things. So yeah. You can get a mystery box with a clicking a mystery box. That is cool as well. So yeah, invite a friend, a referral program. So yeah, if you invite someone, they can actually come here. Live chat is available also as well with a video chat. So that is lovely, lovely, lovely to see that we have a video chat on a deck like that as well. So that is cool. That is amazing. So yeah, that is cool. That is amazing. All right. Do we have any questions? Do we have any? I think we have moved to every single step that we need to go through. Very cool exchange. Even if you know how to trade. Why I love Everestex. First things first, fast deposits, fast withdrawals. Never ever had an issue. Yeah, you can deposit money fast, you can withdraw money fast. Works instantly. If I press the opposition, it enters a position. Yeah, if I press a down position, it pretty much straight up enters a down position just like that. By the way, somebody asked me what is an AI trade. AI trade just pretty much decides for itself. It gives it disengages the logic for your strategy. It pretty much decides for you where to enter a trade and where not to enter a trade. Yeah. By the way, add funds. When you decide to add funds, promo code will be applied on each and every stream ever since this stream. Today no free promo code, but I will add up a free promo code. I have promo code yet, so if you use my code, you will get more money for your first deposit. So pretty much what can you do? You can pretty much straight up enter your choose your country. You can choose your deposit method. Visa, by the way, Visa deposit is available. So straight up with the Visa card, you can enter up your digits. Yeah, here say all the things that you have to select and write it down here. If Visa card is not available, cryptocurrencies, check how many cryptocurrency deposits you can fucking receive here. I don't know even what is ACH, even ACH ERC deposits available. Cosmos, AVAX, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, even Bonk Solana deposit. What the fuck is available? Curve, Dive, Dash, Doge, Dogs, Ton. Why? DYDX, EOS, Flow. What is Dogs? On a Ton network. What the fuck is that? So of course it is an altcoin, but who on earth would have like want to deposit this Dogs Ton coin? What the fuck? That shit. Not on the Ton. Yeah, I'm surprised how many you can actually deposit. Like straight up shit coins. It's the term for a shit coin. It's a very small market cap coin. What are those? Not an KSM Kusama, all right. And you can also buy with crypto. So how can you do so with Changelly and Paybiz? Yeah, free methods you can choose from. So this is how you can add up funds. Of course, if you trade more, you can get levels starting up from bronze, silver, gold, VIP. So pretty much the biggest thing is you get more payout. Yeah, you get more payouts for this shit. So you trade more, you receive more in this Everestex exchange. Layout's kind of like a black. I like black actually. I very like black. The contrast. Some people like white colored charts. I like black. It's like my coffee, yeah? You know, these dark jokes, but not about that. Again, I mentioned we're not going to talk about steroids. We're not going to talk about girls. We're not going to talk about drugs. We're not going to talk about how to launder money. This is Everestex Exchange. So these things you cannot receive here. Here I can show you how binary options work. So we're loving this shit. We like it. We like it. We like it like that. So yeah, but all things seriousness. If you want to learn trading, check the info down below. Check the Telegram. Check the schedule for the up and coming streams. By the way, this live stream type of situation, I don't know if it will be very often. Yeah, I know live streamers, they pretty much straight up I live in a live stream, but this is not the type of shit that we do. Yeah, I do a lot of different things off the stream, so I don't have to be on the stream that much. So when the stream is on, it will be once or twice a week. Actually, it will not be like I'll be running streams each and every day. So streams will be rare. But where you can check like daily picks, info, market news, entries, trades, technical analysis on the Telegram, and the bot is also on the Telegram. So I pretty much operate more there. On these type of platforms, yeah. Streams at the beginning. I'm not going to plan that much. Yeah. YouTube videos here and there. Yeah, why YouTube videos better than live streams? Because YouTube video you can like rewatch, and it's like more compact. Even this like introduction live stream, it's not so user rewatchable. It will be like an hour video, but if I do like an edited version of a video how the Everestex exchange works, it is more watchable. It has like more rewatchability type of situation. I don't think people will rewatch a live stream. Yeah, so rewatch a live stream. I don't think there's a need to rewatch a live stream 1 hour long. People don't have time. People now live in a quick dopamine, quick like quick scrolling, TikTok, Instagram, yeah, reels, and short information, yeah. So live streams not I don't think that much, but it will be videos and it's on a Telegram and yeah, everything will be there. So that is amazing with me, for me, no matter what's up with it. By the way, talking to yourself for 1 hour straight is good, yeah. But voice gets tired, even especially at the ending of a day. Yeah, that is cool. That is amazing. So how we doing? So that is cool. That is amazing. This house music hits different. So cool. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? How to enter this Telegram bot, by the way, all the information down below, but it's in the description. How to generate signals, access the bot, everything will be there. Yeah. How to deposit money, a lot of by the way, promo code. I have to be better with promo code. I have to ask promo code because I'm doing this shit. I have to answer because I'm doing YouTube. I have some sort of a promo code moving. Yeah, some sort of a promo code before you enter that will be nice for the next stream. So, but yeah, unless if not would be a stream, I would be trading and doing like trades. Yeah. By the way, if again, Keltner's channel, yeah, this is like a dynamic type of indicator. Not going to explain what it is today. You can chat GPT this shit. But price action for this BNB, a lot of times I deselect like any indicator. I just want naked chart, just watching the pure price action. I believe these days are gone when we have like 20 indicators pressed on and we don't know where to enter, like super trend, Bollinger Bands, Keltner's channel, and moving averages, exponential moving average. Volume weighted average price is my favorite indicator. Unfortunately, it's not here, but yeah, volume weighted average price is cool. But all in all, a lot of times I just like chart like that. RSI doesn't really bother me unless it's like MACD RSI, stochastic RSI applied on the deck, and 3 different indicators. I'm not that type of a person who compares 3 different oscillators at the same time to detect whether one or not did have the divergence, but the other not didn't have the divergence. By the way, for whatever reason I use oscillator, I use for detecting the divergence. Actually, divergence could be in a play here very soon, because if price will create a higher high, RSI will have a divergence, so that is a weakening signal for a short position. Yeah, so if the candle moves slightly higher, it will create lower high, and most likely this high will not be matched with this previous high from this situation. So pretty much straight up there is a proving weakness for this BNB OTC pair. Yeah, so this is how I kind of like look technical analysis. If I place Keltner's channel, I'm watching how far the candle has actually moved outside of this Keltner's channel line. So this is my thought process before like entering a trade. Yeah, so this is how it rolls, this is how it moves. And actually, if the price will hit this target, I make a double, little bit of a double top pattern. Yeah, double top is a bearish pattern as well. So we can place like I'm looking for a short. Yeah, bearish divergence, double top, Keltner shell oversold. So free confirmations right here, right now. I should have executed a trade. I should have executed a trade right here, but it's reversing. It's reversing right here, right now. So we have a live situation where we can place a trade. So this is how I trade Keltner's channel RSI with the price action. Yeah, looking for free confirmations. Here was a perfect entry. Here was a perfect entry to actually place. Zara music keep on hitting. Shit, I really do want to place a trade. I just wanted to have that pitch perfect trade. I don't want to rush. We seen where the price could have got us a better entry. So this is what we have to, you know. Wait a little bit of a waiting, yeah. Nah, it's rejecting. Shit. You know, I actually want to place like a trade, like a real trade, not like to explain like random trades, how to place the opposition, how to place the down position. That was actually a real life setup. So this what you saw last 3 minutes, my thought process. This is my strategy. Yeah. So first things first, double top. Bearish divergence. Keltner's channel moved oversold because this is a ATR level from a 20 period moving average. Candle moved away. Each and every time we can see candle moving out from this Keltner's channel upper line is considered oversold. I'm just trying to figure it out if this oversold is actually oversold and can reverse. So that is why I'm using information such as a price action. Do we have a resistance? Do we have like a trend, uptrend, or this is a fake move? Yeah, I'm kind of like now putting all puzzle pieces together. Yeah, just because Keltner's channel is oversold doesn't mean that, hey, it will reverse. No, RSI can help as a confirmation. Price action can help as a confirmation. So this is the thought process. This is the thought process, how we roll, how we're doing, yeah. We did actually add a trade, but let's hold the horses. Hold the horse. Let's not move for that long. Maybe we'll hit the target. Maybe we'll have a live trade. Maybe we will. No. Savannah School Vibe is amazing. With me, Freeman. No matter what type of day, you're live, strong, cool, great people. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. That was the first stream, first stream that we did together. Yeah, how the Everestex exchange worked. Almost did have a trade right here. So with me, through me, no matter what type of a day it is, live, strong, great people inside of the realm of Everestex exchange. Everestex exchange didn't want to flex, yeah, but shirt came off to the top just like that. Yeah. All right, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, the first stream coming to an end, real end. Yeah. So we like that. We do that. We love that. So appreciate everybody tuning in. And I'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much. That is